Hey guys, I'm Shawn coming at you from Waco, Texas. Today we're going to learn how to play Fireflies by Owl City, a piano solo version that I think you're really going to like if you like the song. Let's take a listen. All right, so very cool, a lot of fast notes in there. Not as hard as you might think though. I'm going to take you through step by step and show you how to do it. But welcome to our online piano community at webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you to do that today. Let's get to it. All right, so picking the right lessons. This one is not a very beginner lesson. It's more, I don't know, probably early intermediate. So if you feel like you're about an early intermediate, very late beginner, maybe it'd be a little bit of a challenge. I think you can do it. Got fast notes, but there are patterns all through it. So as long as we can pick out those patterns, it makes it a lot easier to play. So I'm going to pick those. I'm going to help you see those as we play this. Okay. So this is arranged for piano solo, a very nicely done piano solo arrangement. Some of the best stuff you can find from just regular dudes playing on YouTube, right? I mean, you don't have to be this famous person that's supposed to have all this talent. There's a lot of talent out there with just regular people like you and me, and you can find these guys, and they just amaze me every time I hear. So this is the part one, okay? So part one for Facebook, YouTube. We put all the lessons, though, the rest of them on the website. If you are a member, you can download the sheets. Very helpful, especially for something like this with a lot of notes in it. Getting to the board. All right, so we have a Kawai MP11 SE in the studio today. I'm using the Concert Grand sound. Just sounds really nice for piano solo stuff. I love this. This is a very, really works well on piano. So congratulations to the guy who arranged this. All right, so I transcribed it, and I'm going to show you every little detail. And we're going to look at the left hand first. A B flat above middle C. So here's C. Here's up here to B flat. Okay. Real quick word for beginners, or if this is too hard for you, if you get into it and find, oh, this is hard, it's not because you're stupid or you can't do it or you have no talent. It's because you're trying something that's too hard. You have to work up to a certain level to be able to do it. So try my easy piano lesson series by clicking WPT University at the top of our webpage. Take you to some easy lessons and some fun songs that aren't hard to play to work up to this. So B flat on the left hand, right hand D, 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 above that left hand B flat. See, D, 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 and then F, and then B flat. If you look at that, that's a chord. That's a B flat chord. B flat, D, F. See that? I'm just breaking it up. Then I have a left hand B flat in the middle there, and then a right hand E flat. So it's left, right, 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 left, right. Do not go on until you can do that. Over and over. Okay, and when you're ready, we'll go to the next measure. Okay, so here's the left hand drops down to an E flat. Right hand does E flat, F, E flat, F, B flat. Then the left hand plays that E flat again, and then right hand plays a lower B flat. So 1. Again. So see all those notes together make a chord, a suspended chord, but it makes a chord. Now I have the first measure, I have the second one. I don't go on yet though. I try to attach these, make them back to back. So here we go, and 1. Okay, once you get that down, hit pause on your video, and you can work on the next part till you're ready, and then we'll move on. I'll be here, right, with the video. You can just get back to it when you're ready. So we move down a little more with both hands. Left hand goes down to A flat. Right hand does B flat, C, B flat, C, E flat. Another A flat on the left hand, and right hand. See the pattern: left, right, 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 left, right. We're doing that again on this measure. Okay. Now I try to attach that to what I already know. So beginning. The next measure is very similar to the one we just did. So just add one thing. C, well, a couple of things. E flat, C, B, there's an extra note. We just go to the C, but we just played it, so that's not a big deal. There's the C. We play another A flat in the left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we play the A flat instead of here. We move it over and play it on the third count. Okay, so I add that, beginning. Now we're here now. The left hand is going to play the B flat this time here instead of up here. Okay? So it's the same except for that one fact that the left hand is down here instead of here. Okay, and then we have that measure after that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 measure. Let's play all 5 measures and go. Okay, and when you're practicing, you'll go this speed. Alright, that's totally fine to do that. Then you get speed after you do a lot of repetitions. You kind of memorize it physically. Okay, alright, so there is our part 1 lesson. If you can do that, I think you can play the whole thing, given enough time to work on it in this manner. One measure at a time, one little thing, another little thing, time together, build upon that strong foundation. Guys, I hope you had fun with this part 1 lesson. See you on the website. Talk to you later.